we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Hi folks, welcome to Spain and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to do something I planned on doing a few weeks ago and then I backed out of. So I don't know if today's going to be 100% success. There's a mountain that was suggested to me I could try to climb, and I thought I'd be able to do that. And then when I lost my drone, I'll put a link to that video there. When I lost the drone, I had to go climbing and it near killed me. Like, you don't see it in the video, but I stopped maybe 20 times, out of breath, thinking this would be a bad place to have a heart attack. So then I backed out of this because this is a proper climb, I think. So I've now pricked up the courage, I've got bottles of water and all gear with me, and I'm going to take my time, nice and easy does it. It's going to be my approach all day. So we'll see, and hopefully a few stories along the way. So I hope you enjoy the video. Onward and upward.
Hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through.
Now it's only a short drive, it's only like half an hour inland, but I need diesel. So I'm going to go now to the petrol station. Did you know in Spain, I'm not sure of all, but a lot of petrol stations, a person comes out and puts the fuel in for you, which was a bit strange getting used to it. You feel like, I'm sure it's okay, I'll do it. But it's their job, you know. So yeah, I'll fill her up before I go much further.
A few moments later.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
It's Easter week, the week leading up to Easter. Schools are off, roads are as busy as I've seen them all year. Assumably just like the UK, it'll be a couple of weeks. Which is good, plenty of people about. The weather's really improving all the time. Now, the last couple of days, it was really hot, and when you're in the shade every day, you feel the sun, it's really, really strong. But when the wind comes in, the temperature goes down a bit. It's like that now, but it's lovely, it's really, really nice. It's probably around 20 degrees. But yesterday and the day before, it was, on my phone, 29, 30 degrees, mid-afternoon. So real hot weather. But today, this is, I think, hopefully this is perfect for what I'm going to do, for climbing a mountain. Not too warm, bit of a breeze. Looking forward to it, but not that hopeful about full success. But it doesn't matter. It's the effort that counts, and I'm going to have a nice day. If I get halfway up the hill and give up, I'm going to accept that. You can only do as much as your body will allow you to do. I thought I was fit until I had that day I was fainting the drone. The murder picture. Right, I'm going to shut up until we get there.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Tell you, I hope that's not the mountain. Flip's sake, I could never climb that. That couldn't be it.
Later.
It is! Oh my god. Steeper and steeper and narrower. Oh my god, I'm never gonna there's no way I'll be able to climb that, so. But let's see how far I get. Need a car park sign. Oh, don't need a sign. I think I found a car park. Place looks amazing. I'm really looking forward to this. Surely that can't be the climb. Unfortunately, I think that's wishful thinking. Here's a map. So we're there. I don't even think that would help me. Oh, I was going to say it wouldn't help me even if it was English. But it's not really, that's the only English bit I see. So, the highest bit is 2. So it looks like I'm going to walk towards 2. The good thing is, 2 on the highest is the second closest destination on the map. Unfortunately it's 2 kilometers up. Right, here we go, number 2. I was expecting number 2 there, that would have been smart, but that's it. 1.5 hours. Before we go, I've spotted a fantastic looking river. But it's a river with a problem. So not really a river, don't know what that is, I'll have to look that up later. Because if you look the other way, there's a wall. Maybe just all the water from the mountain eventually drains into it when it's raining. Right, off we go. I just realised there I was walking off fast and excited. That's not the way to last. How about that? What do you tell you? If the Stephen of 5 years ago seen me now, I wouldn't believe it. All I'd have been interested in was how to get the car up here. The paths aren't that well defined. I keep thinking I'm coming to the end. Yeah, that's an end. I know this isn't the path, but I can see what looks like a path further up. So I think this is going to lead me to it. Right. Don't want to do too much of the steep stuff like this. That's what burns me out. Path, please. In Northern Ireland, we have a term for this. We call it lost. There's no path, there's no arrows. I can still think this could be it. Right. Paint marks, and that's the colour that was on the sign. Maybe I just wasn't expecting it to be as steep. Fantastic. So I've decided to take a reasonably early rest because you could just start to feel it in my legs and everywhere else. So I think this will help. I'll just sit here for 5-10 minutes, have my drink of water, but this is something else. Just this, I don't know if it will show up, just to let you see how steep this is. Definitely not wheelchair accessible, and if you were unsteady in your feet, this would not be the place to come. I was definitely expecting more people to be here, or at least more than none. And saying that, I hear voices up there somewhere. There's something you don't see very often. A route which has turned itself into a handrail. Now, usually when I do these shots, I'm joking. I'll have the camera set at an angle and then I'll show you. But unfortunately, this isn't a joke. Hola.
Hola.
Too old. there should be ropes. Or better still, a cable car. Oh, that's a good idea. Another break coming up. It's only been 10 minutes. So, I must be an hour into it. I don't know what I looked at my watch for, I didn't look when I left. At this stage, I don't think I'm going to make it to the top. I just had a really good blast there and got a good bit up, but it looks an awful long way to the top and my legs are starting to really struggle. So is my chest, and I don't think the heart's too happy. Whew. So I'll go until I find a nice spot, and then I want to put the drone up and have a look around. There's no failures in life. Today, even if I don't make it to the top, achievement. I'll tell myself that anyway. Whew. Right, onward and upward. Maybe it'll not be the tiredness that makes me stop. It's getting unbelievably steep. Where's the ropes? Nah, can't go around there. Oh. Any of my regulars will know I don't like cliffs, and I have reasons for it, but I'm knocking around that. Oh, that looks dangerous. I'm going to go back and hope that's the wrong way. But I've spotted a couple of places where you can get a really good view. I don't want to show the view too much yet, but right, let's go onward and downward a wee bit. One slip's all it would take, you know. Oh. See, I'm following those paint marks. It's definitely not that way. Not for me, it isn't. There's a wee path here, I'll go up and see where it leads. Oh, more paint. Bit confusing. More paint. Well, good. I'm back on track, I think. That other paint mark just shouldn't have been where it was, as far as I can see. There.
20 minutes later.
I'm alright. I'm still going. I keep talking to myself. Every time I decide to stop, I talk myself into going a wee bit more. This isn't joking. Oh, but I think what's got me so far is what I did at the start. As soon as I started to feel tired, I started to take breaks. I didn't let myself get really exhausted. So I'll do a wee bit more. Oh. What happened? I don't do cliffs. Jesus, I should listen to myself more often. It's going to be a weird video because I think there's just a lot of wee clips of me panting. But I've reached my top. Can't go any further. Legs are jelly. I think I've done far better than I should have done. The thing is, I think the top's only there, but it's really steep. Getting up to there, and my legs are just jelly, and I still have to get down again. So that's what the drone's for. But yeah, I wonder how high I'm up. I should have got one of those apps that tell you. Actually, I'll have a look at Google now, maybe I'll figure it out. Right, let's get the drone up and have a wee look around.
Just then.
I'm only kidding myself. I can't give up. I'm going to try a bit more. I've been sitting here 10 minutes. So I'm going to give it another 10 minutes and have another stab at it.
20 minutes later.
Right, I've come up another good bit. I'm done, I can't go any further. And the annoying thing is, I've used Google. It's only another 30 meters. And it says 1 minute. But definitely more than that. And I think the reason is, because this is a steep hill, it's just kind of measuring it that way. So my guess would be it's 100 meters. And it's 100 meters up this steep hill. And it says 1 minute. For me, I don't know how long it would take me now. Well, it's not going to take me forever because I'm not going to do it. Do you remember Paula Radcliffe in the last Olympics that she did? She did a marathon and she ended up, her legs went and she was running for a wee while like jelly, and then she ended up sitting in the curb. I shouldn't have been screaming at her to get up because now I know how she felt. Right, I'll put the drone up now. I'm definitely not going up. No more surprises. Oh, making videos can be hard. Oh, right, from this amazing spot, almost at the top of the world, I'm going to leave it off there. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Thumbs up would be fantastic. I'd love to hear your comments, but until next time, bye for now.